Good to see you. Now look over to TikTok. So if you got a question or comment, put it in there. One Race Alliance, good morning. All these questions don't have nothing to do with if I'm not fertile soil for the seeds. What's the outcome? Exactly. David said, I don't get racism, brother. That poor lady who got shot, that's disgusting. Yeah, it was bad that she got shot, but that's what happened. So the trade-off of the fact that we had a Second Amendment, which allows people to bear arms, is that some people are going to use that right. They're going to use that right in a way that leads to outcomes that we don't want. But we cannot block people from having the right to bear arms just because somebody violated that right. But that person's going to go to jail. And the same way that we can't block free speech just because somebody might say something that you don't like. That is the trade-off. There are no perfect scenarios in life, folks. There are only trade-offs. Human beings are imperfect beings. So when you give human beings freedom to do things, some people will violate that freedom. That's just how it works. David says, I'm white, but I'm a feller baller. I don't know what that means. I know how the N-word people are. I don't know how the world N people are going. I don't know what you mean by that comment. All right. David says she wasn't shot because she was black, just because a black person gets shot. Yes, that's also true. Yes, so just because a black person gets shot by a white person doesn't necessarily mean it's because of race. And again, you can't read a person's mind. Somebody, one race says safe space in black colleges are one and the same. Okay, fair opinion. And she said, let's do a clubhouse room. I don't really be on clubhouse like that much, but maybe. So let's see. I saw a comment at the bottom. Somebody said thoughts on Thomas Sowell's work. I like Thomas Sowell's work. I think he looks at things, again, similar to myself. He tries to be objective. I mean, he is human, so no human is completely objective, but I believe he tries to be objective. And I've read many of his books. I probably read maybe 4 or 5 of Sowell's books, but I got a bunch more that I do need to read. So I'm a fan of Sowell's work. I wish he was younger these days because he could knock down a lot of the nonsense that a lot of people push these days even better than I could. But I try to do my best. All right, so let's see. You got a comment on TikTok? Go ahead and post it, and I'm gonna respond. To it. Someone said, "Do I think that the word is so overused of racism?" Oh, absolutely. It's not even that it's been overused. It's just that people have bastardized the definition of the word to the point that it's gotten overused. So if we go back to the actual definition, then that'll fix that issue.